For us at Accor, we're delighted to partner with James Cook University. It means we can identify the best talent, we can put them in our hotels, and we can grow our colleagues at the same time as studying, building their work experience with us. And hopefully at the end of their study, they will continue to grow their career with us. As an industry, it enables us to continue to build a great service culture that delivers wonderful experiences for all of our guests. Tourism and hospitality is the main industry in Cairns. Tropical North Queensland is the gateway to two World Heritage attractions, the rainforest and our magnificent Great Barrier Reef. Here in Cairns, there are a range of really strong industry partnerships that have been developed, which allow students the opportunity to work in the industry in really great organisations while they're studying. So you have the opportunity to develop your work experience at the same time as gaining your theoretical knowledge. Whether your interest is in attractions or hotels or tourism or marine tourism, there will always be a job for you in Cairns.